Ready to go adventure? Ready to go? Alright, we gotta get you ready. Let's put your headband on. Alright, let's perk those ears up. Oh my goodness. Look how cute you are. You ready to go hike?
And keep your ears warm.
Alright, why do you let me do these things to you? Alright, let's go. We're just coming for the day.
Oh, okay, $10. Okay. How many of you are there?
2 humans and a pet.
Okay. You know about Dog Beach? Oh, we have Dog Beach on the left of the boat launch that people are welcome on, but dogs are not welcome on People Beach. Okay?
Perfect.
I see.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Hey, okay.
Oh,
Granola bar.
granola
This
bars.
place gives me snacks I'm down for.
Gee whiz.
Yeah, I'm looking ahead, looking out for someone like you. Maybe someday when I've grown older, I can see it all clear from above.
So we've been in Havasu for a couple weeks now. We're finally getting a chance to get out and explore today. We're checking out a state park just outside of the city called Cattail Cove State Park.
You got it right.
I did get it right this time.
It's about 20-ish minutes south of the city, and we really haven't been out of the city since we've been here. I've been working a lot, but on first impression, we're very excited to check this place out.
Yeah.
It looks gorgeous. They've got a beach. They've got a dog beach.
A dog beach.
So we're gonna have to check that out for Callie. We're gonna do a little bit of hiking. We just realized too they have a campground here. Looks pretty nice.
That looks really nice.
Yeah, it's like 60 sites. It looks like they have hookups. I had to check out the bathrooms already because of the water challenge, and they have a nice shower house in there, and
Yeah.
looks like a really nice state park.
Yeah, it looks really well kept. The campground's right inside the entrance, and it looks really full, especially for it being a Monday.
Yeah.
So if you are interested in staying at the campground here, I would definitely recommend making reservations. It looks like it might be hard to come in without reservations.
And if you just want to check it out for a day, it was $10 for our vehicle. It changes on the weekends, which any place else I would think that was strange that the price goes up on the weekends, but in the 2 weeks that we've been here, Havasu like blows up on the weekends. I don't know why. I guess it's a destination. People come over for a weekend trip, but
It's kind of touristy, which makes sense. I mean, it's a big lake and stuff, so.
yeah. So $10 for a vehicle, Monday through Thursday, $15 for Friday and Saturday, and then $3 a person if you walk in, which I don't know where you could park to walk in here. But
That's a good point. We're gonna do a little bit of hiking. Definitely gotta check out the dog beach. So yeah, we're excited to hit the trails today and enjoy this warm weather.
it's really cool. So we usually try to follow all trails, and we download a map, and I got off trail. Navigation skills have failed, but I'm actually glad because this is our view.
Is it cold?
It's chilly. That's it? Reminds me of Tahoe a little.
Yeah, right. That's what I thought too. But so 2 firsts for us probably. One, there was a pit toilet on the trail. I guess it split up BLM land and the state park, and you said something else?
Yeah, no, the state park butts up against BLM land. There's a lot of BLM land out here, and half of this trail is on the BLM land and half is in the state park. So At some point we crossed the line. It wasn't demarked or anything.
Yeah, but there's a pit toilet and a little beach there. It looks like if you're boating, you can go right up. Or I guess you could hike in and with your camping gear if you want to pitch a tent down at the beach. And there's also this nice little marker right here on the trail to let you know, for people like us, let you know exactly where to go. That's perfect.
Let's go this way.
It's that way, Callie.
Okay. Think I should just like parkour it and just run up these rocks?
Yeah, I do. Okay, here we go.
That's not gonna happen.
Oh, you got that.
Ha! Short people.
That's right.
We made it.
We made it. You only got us lost once.
Only once, but it was a good lost, so because we got to see the water.
All right, let's go check out this dog beach.
Doggo beach. Callie, you need the water? Huh? You go swimming?
I might get in the water.
Callie lives in the water now.
She is now a water dog.
This is where she stays. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's really pretty out here. It's really nice and peaceful. It looks like a lot of people come and camp, and then a lot of people come and use the boat launch here. So the actual park itself doesn't look like it's very busy. Not today, at least. Today's a Monday, but yeah. All right, what next?
What comes after a hike?
Well, if you've been watching our channel for a while, you know what comes after a hike. A brewery. I think we're gonna keep it like a dog-friendly day and check out a place right here in Havasu that's dog-friendly. So it's just really nice today. It'd be nice to sit outside and have a drink. So I think we'll do that.
Checked out was Hangar 24, and it's kind of north Havasu, so we hadn't really looked into it that much, but I really liked it.
Yeah, apparently it's right next to the regional airport, I guess. Municipal airport. So you get some of the small aircraft coming in, so kind of a nice vibe to it. Definitely should check that out if you guys are in Havasu.
Very nice staff too. Very much recommended like what beer to try and what not to try. So
and dog friendly, which is important to us. So overall, a really nice day. Good day to spend in Havasu. Yeah, if you're in town, check out Cattail Cove. If you're into breweries, check out
Hangar 24.
Hangar 24. And yeah, we had a pretty good day exploring today. So
yeah. Taking advantage of these days off that I have. So that's one day in Havasu with a dog that's very sleepy, very much
sleepy.
asleep in the back seat.
So yeah, highly recommend either place if you guys are in town. If you guys are new here, consider subscribing and following along with our little adventure. We have several weeks left here in Havasu, so we're planning to get out and explore quite a bit more. So we just kind of thought we'd kick this off today and check some stuff out.
Yep. We'll see you guys next week with whatever else we explore.